How you can upload Instagram long posts using your PC and smartphone. Open your browser, search for Meta Business site, click on first link, click on create post now, open Photoshop or any design tool you are using, click on new file, follow the settings, now insert your images, adjust image size, and position accordingly from file menu. Click on save as, choose JPEG or PNG as file type. Now back to browser. If you connected your Facebook page too, you have to uncheck it from here. Click here to add your photo, select photo and click on open. Then you have to keep clicking on publish button. Now open your Instagram account, refresh the page and here, our post uploaded. Now let me show you how you can do this with your smartphones. Open your browser, search for Meta Business site, click on first link, click on create post, uncheck your Facebook page, choose your image, and keep clicking on publish button.